Fishing again today. Gonna try fishing again today. Nice and cool and sunny. Having a Halloween party tonight. Uh-oh, somebody lost their little jacket. Alright, so let's see here. That one's cool. Oh, look at the birdie one.
That one looks like the guy from the Halloween from the...
Yeah, I know. Nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one, it's a camper.
Yeah. Little Jordan shriveled up on it, ain't it?
Yeah, that's funny. And they got another little thing over here. Truck pulling it. How funny. That one with the painting on it is pretty.
Yeah, it looks like it's decals.
Wow, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. I say probably.
And these are toy Aussies.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh.
This one's sitting on the toilet.
Precious.
That's funny. Got some toilet paper and shampoo. You don't look very
I
good.
think it's a toy Aussie that I want. A mini
Yeah.
Aussie, and I've seen a lot of them that are pretty big. So it's
Look at that. They had a Halloween contest. So cute. So cute. Everybody's fishing. I'm gonna walk back down through the river. Walk back down through the river. See how they're doing. And somebody was flying a drone. They really set it up. Ooh. Creepy. Creepy. Some more little pumpkins. Got some ghosts coming out the window. That's funny. Uh-oh. Whee! Trick or treat in the campground. Trick or treating in the campground. Come on. Trick or treating in the campground. Oh, look at that little girl.
Little mini mouse looks like.
Yeah. There's a Snow White girl. Ooh, man, when that sun goes down, it gets chilly. I'll cut through here.
Caught a few brams and chubs. We hit the trap.
miniature dogs.
Aussie, Australian Shepherd.
Are they?
Toy. They're toy. They're as big as they'll get.
Oh yeah, that's a little kind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, our daughter was going to get one.
Yeah, they're good dogs. They're real good.
You ready to throw a ball
I've
of
never seen no
frisbee?
little ones like that.
Yeah.
Most of them are big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They still like playing frisbee all day long.
Yep. Frisbee or ball. Yep. They do. They'll keep you busy. Gotta get the campfire going. One more campfire tonight.
One more thing. the sky, Levi.
Look up, look up, look up. You know, dogs don't really ever look up like that. And I'll get on the roof of my house doing something, and mama dog be out there.
Look, here comes some more.
Come here, come here. She'll finally look around and see me up on the roof. We had the one Cocker Spaniel was mixed in there, like a black lab and Cocker Spaniel. That dog would climb an extension ladder and get on the roof with me.
Geese.
Damn.
Flock of geese.
Once I taught her how to do it, then I couldn't keep her off of them. I had to put the ladders on the ground so that dry and climb them.
Bats flying. Is that a bat?
Dogs on the roof.
Yeah.
There's a little tiny bird in that tree.
Yep, gonna wind this thing down. Stop in Georgia. We ain't sure what we're gonna do there.
Clean up.
Her companion,
We
the
got
licensed
scallops and
graceful says that it
noodles,
was a very unfortunate story.
trout,
Anchors,
salad.
you have to be aware that you're not the only one out there.
And Beth knows she must always be careful of Hans's land.
Well, it's Sunday the 19th. Nope, the 20th. And we gotta check out of here today. And go to Georgia property. Check out Georgia property. And see what happens next. Right, doggies? Alright, so we checked out at Blue Ridge KOA and now we're visiting Kim. And this is Kim. Kim is Bobby's cousin. And this is her place. She's in real estate. And they've done a lot of clearing since the last time we were here. Because the driveway goes around there. And before you couldn't see the house. Because it was so thick with woods coming up that gravel driveway. Oops! Sorry, Layla. But she's got a full hookup. So we got the camper hooked up. And they say these are oyster mushrooms and they're edible. You fry those up. And the dogs can run. Run, run, run. She got chickens. Good boy. Back up. Beautiful place. Beautiful. Come on, bring me that ball. You gotta find your frisbees. There they are. You don't want to lose your toys. Oh.
So yeah, we got water runs all the way around it. So you can see the flags. That's I just reflagged. Me and Kim were going for a walk one day in the evening and come across here, and there's a rope hanging from one of the big gas trees back here. I don't know which one it was. there's a freaking rope hanging. There's a rope hanging from the tree, and I said, and there's a hard hat at the bottom, and there's a dude up in the tree with a chainsaw.
Oh, shoot.
What the hell is he doing?
The people across here wanted their view opened up. So they came across some honking property and were fixing to cut trees.
No shit.
Yeah. Like the creek is my property.
We got a creek like that on the back side of ours. But I got a real good neighbor on the back side. Watch his front door on the lawn. He's got roads all over. He's got like 300-400 acres.
I'd like to get another that horseshoe mulch out here and do some more. There's deer.
Deer.
Go through the woods. I'd have to order the doors, I guess.
And blinkers.
Jeep drive with no doors?
True. Yeah, I don't have blinkers on it either, but I guess there's probably
Yeah,
a kit
you
for
gotta-
that.
Yeah, you have to have blinkers and
They won't even let you. Now in Tampa, you can go register them, but you can't register them in our area.
So they just passed a law for up here. I guess maybe it might be just be my county. I'm not sure if it's all of Georgia or my county, but you can't run them on state roads.
Huh. Well,
Only county roads. You can only run them on county roads.
there's the chickens.
there's probably a the road though.
Yeah.
It's state road.
Yeah. So I think it's a county thing they're allowing it, not the state, because of that reason.
So the deer and the dogs get along? The deer don't run from the dog? Or?
They run from them, but they don't go far.
Okay.
He'll run them off from sometimes in the cornfield, but he doesn't like.
Yeah.
He's not trying to eat them.
No, I know.
Just lost 3 of them.
Yeah.
Them dogs. I told Ken that the next time them dogs are down here, I'm gonna shoot them. We told them. I'm gonna shoot them.
Yeah.
You know, now it's costing me money. Because now I'm counting 3 eggs a day. You know. Wanna go? Going down to the lake now. What? Come here where I can hear you. I'm not a lip reader.
Corn or
Yeah, we could probably go ahead and feed him. Can you go grab the bucket? It's over here. Yeah.
what you doing?
I guess gonna feed the fish.
Layla, no.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she's a sweetie. She's a good girl. Very smart.
Kind of reminds me of Cassie.
I know. At that age.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an age thing, right?
And she is so smart.
Yeah.
She's
That's
in
good.
Kim.
She's in the home.
Here we
There you
go.
go. Let's go feed the deer. That's the lake. Come on.
I seen that thing. I was like, no, go on, Dad.
Go down there. I wish I could get that pond old water.
Huh. Why won't it?
The tree
Yes,
roots
it
going
just-
underneath the ground are so bad.
Seeps through.
Oh, it's deep out.
It just seeps out underneath. This one seeps out too.
Not as fast.
Did it ever dry up?
I guess you'd have
It's
to
gotten-
just
it,
get a
it
liner.
gets low though. Really low right now. When we bought this place, it was the lowest it ever was. Yeah, there's a couple right there. They ain't eating though. It's
Easy. Easy.
cold. Yeah, they're not feeding. It's
Easy.
too cold.
Mm.
Don't get in the water, Layla.
I'm gonna roll.
She is a
She
swimmer.
loves swimming.
There's fish out there you can catch. We got a big grass carp in here too, but these are some kind of a little bass or some fish. There's a few of them out there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But they're not usually, man. It looks like piranhas, but it's so cold they're not feeding that much.
Let's see some
And
of
some
them.
of them, there's a couple of them, they get about yay big. But there's a snapping turtle in here. He tears them up, and I'll wake up in the morning, look out here, and there'll be a heron standing in the middle, just devastating them. They're not real smart. I thought about putting something else in here, but I don't know what I would put in here.
Easy.
You can't put non-native fish in.
Can you put trout in here?
I can put trout in here. These are what these were originally for, was for
okay.
trouts.
That must be a carp.
There's a big one he probably gave on.
Yeah.
Somewhere. I used to have more than one carp in here, but they didn't. I don't know. And they're sterilized. You have to like sterilize grass part. They'll keep the vegetation down. That way they don't leave it out to the lake. This all goes out right to the lake. And they don't want.
Look at Levi. He's going in the water.
Out in the lake.
We're getting a little wet.
Yep, close our bedroom door in the camper. So Chris, when I lived up there in Georgia,
Yeah.
I would go out every evening, and you know the metal coffee can?
Yeah.
I would take one of those and I would scoop it full of corn, and I'd ring it around, make it make noise, and I'd throw it, because the kids were little then. They had a fort, and they'd sit up in the fort, and I'd make that jingle noise and throw it out. Man, them deer, that was like a dinner bell to them. They come out of them woods, they knew that sound.
The golf cart or
Easy.
side by side for dinner bell for all.
Oh, is it?
As soon as we go back. See, sometimes I come over here, drop the corn, I drive to the other side of the pond, and there'll be 4 deer standing here.
Huh.
Wow, really? Just in like that little bit of time?
Yep.
Golf cart gas, or is it electric?
Gas.
Gas.
These yellow trees fell down here, I cut up.
Yeah.
This whole area here, I've had a brush pile. I don't know how big it was. It was massive. That we burned a while back.
Yeah, that's what we do. All my buddies call her the skidder.
Yeah.
Because when
I
she said, I
jumped
want to be
up
able to
the fire.
see through the woods, I was like, all right, I'll cut it, but you got to drag it through the burn pile.
Yeah.
They'd come over,
We
she'd
had
be
a
out there
huge
dragging
burn
that
pile.
crap.
So right here, there's the salt block. That's where that
Right
picture
here.
of that bear. He was right here.
Huh.
I had one of those tripod deer feeders. He pulled it over
Yeah.
and destroyed it.
They'll ruin them. We used to
The
hang
bear?
them from tree to tree
Bear?
with a chain.
Bear.
And then by the time they grab a hold of it, something break, and they tear them feeders off.
What's that over there?
My gun range.
Oh, okay.
And steel targets over here.
Yeah.
And I got little archery and
Nice.
little pistol targets there.
And then that's the hut that I built.
Yeah, that
You
thing
built
right
a
there,
hut?
little hut up there.
Nice. So cool. What's the blue stuff? What's the blue lines up there?
That,
The silk
that's
fence.
just,
All silt fence.
Oh, okay.
yeah, keeps the water from washing the bank down.
Yeah, and well, a lot of that up there where the chickens is, that's all backfill. Where I had the dugout around the garage.
That's funny that he don't ride. Yeah, we had our dog riding ever since we was little.
They just can't get in on that no more.
Yeah, now I have to pick him up and put him down there, but it's okay. He still ride.
Come on, bear.
Yeah, my buddy talked me into, when you do those portals with bigger tires,
Yeah.
you got your portals, you can get gear reduction, like a 40%, 45, 50, 55. I did a 60.
She says, come on, lunch is ready.
That's pretty much the grand tour anyway.
All right.
Anywhere you can ride around on this thing anyway.
That was fun. And very cool. Come on. Look at your feet. Boink. Yeah, you can. She got muddy feet right now, but they dry fast. Let's go over there and see.
And I was thinking it was part of the oil furnace, 'cause that's how they get this stuff.
Oop, watch out. Easy, Layla. Be nice. Be nice, girl.
Yeah, I was thinking
Leela.
I had an oil furnace type thing here somewhere. Because that's what we used to have to do, is tear them apart and adjust the electrodes.
Battery on charge.
I have to buy one of them. Scott
Yeah,
wouldn't freak
right?
out on it.
Oh, yeah, they
cool
would.
as hell. Hey, it shoots flame freaking 20 feet or so.
Is she not nice to you? Is she not
Stop
being
it.
nice to
No,
you?
no.
She's like, I just want to play.
Layla.
She's gonna get your nose. She's gonna get your nose.
Trying to get the deer to show up. So he's got to charge up the flamethrower?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I get one of them now and then have a fit.
That would be really cool.
I can light it.
Yeah, this is my dream. Sitting out on my back porch watching deer.
So
Yep.
when I take a deer, Bobby,
Uh-huh.
I just lay right here on the deck. Ow.
I think Levi sees them. Do you see that deer down
He
there?
sure
Levi?
does. What are those, Levi? What are they?
Huh.
The
That's pretty
deer.
cool.
That's a deer, Levi.
I'm surprised. Usually the does come in first. And we've got
Levi, come here.
we've got one doe that
Don't be
has
teasing him
twins.
like that.
I'm not teasing him.
I know, but you'll get him chasing them.
Nah.
You'll never see him on our property.
He's investigating. I'll just head back this
Going
way.
at that one.
So they like drinking out of the pond.
Well, it's probably one of the few water sources around right now.
Yep. Well, we got the creek, and then we got that back creek. I want to clear out to it so we can see them.
Yeah, I think they drink out of that back creek more than any of them.
We
What you
walked
doing,
down
bud?
it.
Huh? You see them deer out there? You want to go chase them?
You'd probably videotape them better with my phone.
That's funny because they keeping an eye on us. Little tail wagging. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, this is every day.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They're good size ones too.
Yep. Let's see here.
I think I'm gonna take a doe this year.
Yeah,
Yep,
I always
those are
prefer
better.
good does. You can't eat them horns,
Nope.
and they taste much better.
Yep.
When did y'all's rut come in though?
Usually in
Yeah.
December, I think. Maybe November. I
Oh.
don't remember.
Y'all pretty late on it. That's how it is in North Florida.
We'll
like
take a couple
January in North
bites and then
Florida.
he'll-
I know. Well, hunting season usually runs through the first week or two in January.
Is the end of y'all's?
Hmm.
The end of yours is in January?
Mm-hmm. But it's only buck. You know, we have doe days, and I don't know how many doe days we have this year.
Even on private property?
Well, it ain't gonna stop me.
I got a
But-
frisbee.
But yeah, I mean that's the law.
Hmm.
It's buck
Nice.
full.
Hey.
Because we keep it.
And I said, he says, you know, I took all this money down there. He had like 80 grand out of them 2 cars. He says, I took it to the bank and the lady told me I better not, because all the equipment went so sky high.
Bear's trying to get him to come out and play. He's pawing.
You're gonna button heads.
That is so funny.
Yeah. Oh, neat.
I had 2 of the
That's how
that
Levi
6
and
point and
Layla
that
are.
7 point were here doing that one day not long ago.
Oh, wow.
But they were still just about in velvet then.
What was
though.
that?
Last time I saw the bigger ones.
Oh, sound like a bear.
It was a bear.
Oh,
Okay.
that
Oh,
was
it's a cow.
cow. There's
Oh,
the
okay.
neighbors have cows.
Oh, okay. That's
I
funny.
hope you can get
Look
that
at
to zoom in.
Yeah, I can't. He said he was going to buy me a nice
I gotta
camera
buy
for
her
my
a camera
birthday.
when we get back.
Like a
'Cause
Nikon
I
or...
hate that thing. She'll be like, see the deer?
Oh yeah, my phone will zoom
It
in
would be
like
nice
they're
to be
right here
able
on
to
the
video
phone.
and then zoom in and be able to see it zoomed in. I might have to look real hard. If he's going to drop $3 grand on a camera, I want it to be one that does everything I want. But being able to zoom in to see that, because this thing don't zoom.
And this gets blurry.
I have to do edit. I have to edit and zoom on my my editing. Wondershare is what I use. But it's so funny that they're just gonna sit there and play.
We get six.
Yeah, but even on the window share, when I zoom in, it pixelates, so it's not clear.
Yeah. We get 6, 7, 8, 10 deer down there sometimes. But then it's a big old ordeal. There's a pecking order.
Yeah,
Who wants what
Yeah.
position and
that's cool. Okay, I got my camera.
Watch out, dogs.
Levi
Come on,
here.
Levi.
Oh man, it feels so good. Oh yeah, we want to get one of those.
Says, I gotta have one of them.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you don't take much, does it?
No,
Not with that.
we might have to hit it again. But that stuff's so dry.
Oh,
Yeah.
I gotta take a picture of that thing so I can get you one.
Yeah. Take a picture of that, and we gotta take a picture of the that little
I was telling
cooker.
him you need to send him a link where we got that zip line.
To the YouTube? I need
Where
subscribers.
we got the zip line for Georgia.
Oh, the
They had,
okay, the toy, yeah.
Fire.
Pretty cool.
God, a pooper. Well, time to offload my card. Put it on my computer.